sewing friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Fola here and you're welcome once again. Today's tutorial will be on how to cut a flutter sleeve, also known as a flare sleeve, and I'll be cutting it in form of a half circle flare and also folding it in bias form. So before we go on, guys, if today is your first time of checking out my channel, please subscribe. Click on the subscribe button down below and subscribe right now. Also turn on the post notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video, which I do every week. And don't forget to also like and share this video. And you can also check out my other videos, and I'm very sure you will be glad you did. So let's get started. I'll be making use of this beautiful African print fabric, and what I will need to do first is to fold on bias. Can you see? In like manner, I'll just be making use of these small parts on the fabric. So I already fold it in bias form. I'll be cutting one sleeve first, then I'll use this to cut the other one. So for this tutorial, I'll just cut one. I already fold in bias now. Then the next thing I will do is to get half of my armhole on these points. And I have a detailed video on how to cut a basic sleeve, where I did a tutorial on how to achieve half of the armhole and calf's height. I will put the link in the description box below. Kindly check it out. So half of my armhole measurements, half of my armhole is 7.5 inches. Then I will add 1 inch side seam allowance, so that is 8.5 inches. So I will get 8.5 inches right there, this point. So this is 8.5 inches. So I will use my ruler and rule a straight line at that point. Can you see? Then I will note my calf's height. I will go up to achieve my calf's height, which you will also get in the video. I will put the link in the description box below. So my calf's height is 358 inches, which is right here. Then I will rule a straight line from the calf's height to the underarm line. Then I will get the midpoint of this line, which is here. Then I'll go up by ½ inch. And use my armhole curve to connect to the shoulder tip. Then connect a straight line. Can you see? Now for this is for the back armhole. This is for the back armhole now. So for the front armhole, take your armhole curve and connect from the midpoint, initial midpoint that you got here. Connect it in like manner. Can you see? Then turn it, because the front armhole goes in deeper than the back armhole. Can you see? So this is for the front armhole now, while this is for the back armhole. Now the length of the sleeve I'm working with is 14 inches. So you take you take the length of your sleeve measurement from this point. So this will be the shoulder tip. So 14 inches plus 1 inch allowance to fold it in at the hem. That is 15 inches. So 15 inches, measure 15 inches. So it is in form of a circle sleeve. So you just rotate it in like manner. 15 inches. Then you move your tape measure at the tip here, at the curve area, you move it a bit forward, then continue measuring the length. Here I have 15 inches, just to have an accurate circle. Can you see? 15 inches. Just move it a bit. 15 inches. Can you see? That is exactly what we have. So now I will cut it out. Then the first thing I'll cut here is the back armhole. And at this point, that is the cap's height line, I just went up a bit because I don't want this part to be curvy. So I just went up a bit before I start cutting it out, cutting the back armhole out. So this is the back armhole. Then I will open it up. Can you see? First, let me notch the midpoint, the point that will be joined to the shoulder tip. Make sure you notch it. That will be an indicator for you to join on where to join to the shoulder tip. Now I will open it up and cut out the front armhole. So this is the front armhole. This part will be joined to the front armhole, while this part will be joined to the back armhole. So guys, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. So I'll just use this sleeve now to cut for the second sleeve and join to my outfits. If this tutorial has been helpful, give me a giant thumbs up, like right now. Click on the like button, yes, and also share. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe right now, like right now. Thank you for doing that. I will see you in my next video. Bye.